What's up, y'all? So y'all coming with me today because we're gonna be running a few errands. This is a part of my graduation prep. Super excited, like graduating. So yeah, y'all gonna be coming with me. The first thing on the agenda today is gotta go to the gas station. Next, I'm going to pick up my cap and gown. Then we're going to the nail salon to get my nails and my toes done. I'm not getting my eyebrows done until it's closer because I don't know if it's just me, but I don't want my eyebrows to get, you know, messed up quick. So that's what I'm doing. I was trying to decide if I want to get like the short white square nails or like the French tip nails, but I think I'm gonna do French tip later. So I think I'm gonna go with the short white nails right now. So we're gonna do that. I ordered 2 graduation dresses from Shein. The first one, I like it, but I'm not wearing it for my graduation. I'm gonna wear it for my sister-in-law's graduation. And this other dress I ordered, I got it in an extra small, but it fit big at the top. It's like, it doesn't fit like an extra small. So freaking excited. I have so many events going on this week. It looked like I'm so close to the steering wheel, which I am. I'm not the only female that drives like that though. I know I'm not. Finished pumping gas, y'all. Now we are about to go pick up my cap and gown. Then it's to the nail salon. Then I'll have to come home and edit and like catch up on some homework. I got like 1 week left of homework and my final exam, and then I'm officially done with college, you guys. I'm pulling up to my campus for possibly the last time. It's bittersweet. All right, guys, I have made it to my school. I'm about to go in here and pick up my cap and gown. It should be really quick. Hi, can I get toe polish and full set?
Okay, what's that?
Just white gel.
Back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Honey, how present turns past. I might fly Priscilla, I'll just prepare. Don't mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me.
Alright, y'all, so my nails are done and they look so beautiful. He did such a good job. They are literally just like I wanted them. So super classy, and my toes are just white, gel polish only. So yeah, now it's time to go.
said 5 for you. I do that 3, 4 times again. I testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch. I do it all that I'm around. You scared of you. I'm not. Long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch skinny, fluid, I your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the
but to touch, smack it round a bit, then sip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not the up on the road, change my opinion, change all my flows, change my approach. No more loving and when it rains, it pours. So primal, that's what I'm just a man. Take that pussy, drop it like that. I love it when you move like that.
Sha-Deana.
With all the privileges and responsibilities attached thereto, you may move your tasks from the right to the left.
Tutorial coming soon. I'ma do what I have. Hi. Say hello, my cute. Hi. You're so cute. It's a video.